If you have been noticing more hair in your brush than usual, do not worry, you are not alone. Today I am sharing my go-to anti-hairfall hair mask that are super easy to make and that actually work for your hair. Whether your hair fall is due to stress or climatic changes, these masks are packed with nutrients that strengthens the roots, nourish your scalp and reduce breakage. These hair masks have truly made a difference in my hair fall journey and I hope it will help you too. So let's get started.
Wash the aloe vera leaf under running tap water. Slice the leaf into 5 to 8 pieces. Cut the thorns on the both sides. Put them in water for 10 minutes. Take it out and wash it one more time under running tap water. Now scrape the aloe vera gel from it. Add the fresh aloe vera gel to a mixer. Squeeze one whole lemon into it. Grind it to make it a paste. Take a cotton pad and dip it into the mask and apply it onto your scalp and hair. Section your hair and press the cotton pad to release the juice. Aloe vera reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair roots. It relieves dandruff and itchy scalp. It stimulates healthy hair growth. Lemon promotes hair growth and maintains scalp's health. Do this onto your entire scalp and hair. Once done, put a bun. Leave it for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with mild shampoo or shikakai. Let's prepare a hair mask that will make your hair look lustrous and voluminous. I will tell you all the benefits of it. I have taken the Idya's Lotus powder. This is a lotus powder that helps hair to become stronger and healthier. It also supports a thicker hair growth. I am adding 2 spoons of this. Lotus powder is popularly called as anti-bald powder in the market. Now I am adding 2 spoons of hibiscus powder. This is from a brand called Herb Tonic. Herb Tonic has a wide range of natural and DIY powders that you can make hair mask and face mask out of it. Today I did not have rice water at home, so I used normal drinking water to mix the mask. Add water little by little to make a paste. This hair mask has 0 chemicals added to it, homemade and natural. The mask is easy to make using these powders. All we have to do is mix it up using water, rice water, curd or egg as per your wish. The consistency should be this, not too flowy. Section your hair and apply the mask concentrating on the scalp area. Make sure that you cover your entire scalp with mask. After applying, put a bun and let this mask sit on for 30 minutes. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo or shikakai.
These hair masks are packed with nutrients that nourish your scalp and make your hair grow stronger and longer. I have linked all the products in the video. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair fall. Until then, next time, take care.